Which file is it?
217. We didn't do that one, correct? You sure you didn't take it with you?
All right, one. All right, somebody, this is case number, case number 2034617. This is real estate specialist versus Donnell Floyd regarding premises at 11409 Balfour in the city of Detroit. Today's date and time set for a hearing regarding this matter. Your appearance at this time for the plaintiff.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Randy Levasseur, P41712, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
Counsel.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Cody Brooks, P83108 with Lakeshore Legal Aid, appearing on behalf of defendant Donnell Floyd, who is present as well.
All right, thank you. And I do see Mr. Floyd there. Good afternoon to you, sir.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, who wants to proceed? Mr. Brooks, update me if you will.
Yes, Your Honor. We've reached a settlement agreement and we'll be entering a conditional dismissal, and we would just like to enter the terms on the record.
All right, you may proceed at this time.
Thank you, Your Honor. So we have agreed that by December 1st of this year, UCHC will be paying $2,100 to plaintiff on Mr. Floyd's behalf. This will resolve all rent due until December 31st, 2020. In exchange, Real Estate Management Specialists has agreed to waive any other rent that may have been due from January 2020 through December 2020. So, Mr. Floyd, it's your understanding that REMS will be paid $2,100 on your behalf by UCHC to resolve this year's rent, correct?
Correct.
In exchange, Mr. Floyd has agreed to move out of the property at 11409 Balfour Street on or before January 4th, 2021. That's your understanding, Mr. Floyd? Yes?
Yes, with the help of you all, UACA.
I can't hear him, Judge.
You were saying, Mr. Floyd, we couldn't hear you real well there. What did you say? You said yes with the help of the agency you were saying. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, with the help of UCHC helping me relocate. That's to my understanding.
Okay.
Further, if you have not been moved out by the end of January 4th, a real estate management specialist is able to move for a reinstatement of this case with notice to you, and then you will have 14 days to respond if real estate management specialist does move forward in this case. And you understand that, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then you also understand that if you cause any damage to the property from today on, you may be responsible for that. However, REMS is aware of the state of the property from when they purchased it, as far as you know, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And you do understand that if a partial payment is made, then that does not prevent the issuance of the eviction in January. However, it's also your understanding that UCHC will be paying the full $2,100 on your behalf, right?
Correct.
Okay, and you've agreed to these terms and you've signed the consent order for conditional dismissal that I distributed to you, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Levasseur, is there anything else you need put on the record, or does that satisfy?
I'm satisfied.
Your Honor? I would then move for the entry of the conditional dismissal, which I will sign and submit to you in a few minutes.
All right, given the terms as set forth and Mr. Floyd's understanding as he's indicated of those terms, I will sign the order upon its presentment to the court. And that will conclude this particular case. Mr. Floyd, I do wish you well in these difficult times. It looks like you've got it pretty much worked out, and they're going to be assisting you in some ways to help you to find a new house. I do wish you well in that journey.
Your Honor, should I send that to Ms. Rice?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay, thank you. Thank you also, Mr. Levasseur.
Thank you, Mr. Floyd.
You're welcome.
Thank you all.